If you want to embed a video on your website or any site that allows YouTube video embedding, you can do this very simply with the YouTube Embed Code. Before I show you that, you should know that some website builder can handle YouTube embeds with only the URL of the video. I have a WordPress website. I open the editor and just copy the URL. If you use any builder plugin like Divi or Elementor, you have a special block for that. In the simple Gutenberg editor, you also have a block for this URL. So click on the plus button, look for YouTube, then add the link. That's it. You can also grab playlists and embed them in the YouTube block. There is a problem with the video. The embed comes with lots of things that YouTube adds, and that can cause your visitor on your website to leave and go to YouTube. So if you want to eliminate that, you should know that you have the option to embed the HTML code instead of just the URL. With the code, you can add anything you want. Let's say you want the video to start at a certain point. Open the video you want to embed. You can do this for any video on YouTube, not just your own videos. Click on Share and then click on Embed. You'll get the HTML code from YouTube. Copy the code and paste it on your website using the HTML code block. YouTube provides options that you can add to the HTML code. If you want to start the video at a certain point, tick the box and add the time you want the video to start. There are two more options. One is if you want to show the YouTube control buttons or not. If you choose not to show them, the video will appear on your website only with the option to play or stop. However, users won't be able to add caption or play it at different speeds. Still, there are a few clickable areas that can bring the person back to YouTube. It may show suggested videos that are not from your channel at the end of the video, or if someone stopped the video. So if you want to remove that, you can do something about that, and I will talk about that in a bit. If you don't want YouTube to collect data about your visitors and what they watch, how much they watched, and etc. If you know how to write HTML, you can change the code. YouTube provides a list of parameters that you can add to the HTML to customize it. If you're like me and don't know how to code, or you have lots of mistakes when you code, you can use either VidIQ or TubeBuddy Advanced Embed. Both are free to use. If you're not using these free extensions yet, you should. To add the extension, click on the link in the description. When you get to their website, you can sign up for free and then get the extension for your browser. Let's start with VidIQ Advanced Embed. You can find the Advanced Embed option on any YouTube video under the video itself, a button with VidIQ logo. Click on that and you'll get a short menu with the option to go to Advanced Embed. You can also find Advanced Embed in your YouTube studio. Open your studio by clicking on the avatar, then find it in the menu. Click on the Content tab and you'll see a list of your videos. Next to each one, there is the VidIQ logo. Click on the logo, then choose Advanced Embed. Now let's see what options we have here. You can choose a different size for the video. Then there is a list of options you can add or remove from the HTML embed code. For instance, you can make the video start playing when the website page loads, or add caption to the video. You can also start and stop the video at a certain point. With YouTube HTML customization, you can only start the video at a certain point, but not stop it. Additionally, you can loop the video, and most importantly, prevent YouTube from adding the suggested video list at the end of your video, which is very important if you want a visitor to stay on your website. Now click on the text and copy it. Go to your website and add that HTML code in the right place. If you use WordPress, you can use HTML block, and some website provides you with HTML editor from the beginning. Just place it in the right place. When you publish it, you won't see the related video. If the video is too big for your website, change the size of the video and then copy and paste it again. Let's talk about TubeBuddy Advanced Embed. Once you have the extension, you can see a window with TubeBuddy stats on the side of any video on YouTube. Click on Tools and you'll find Advanced Embed. Similar to VidIQ, TubeBuddy also provides this embed in your Content tab in your YouTube studio. Next to each video, there's the TubeBuddy logo. Click on it and you'll see a long list of TubeBuddy tools. You can watch the full playlist that shows how to use each one, the links in the description. Find the Advanced Embed and now you have a list of options to choose from. Select the size of the iframe video and when to start or finish the video play. You can of course leave it blank. You can also choose the controls on the video, and then you'll have the customized HTML you created. click on it and copy it to paste it on your website. What's the difference between VidIQ and TubeBuddy Advanced Embed? Well, TubeBuddy gives you the option to disable things, while VidIQ allows you to add them. Basically, both tools give you the same thing. They utilize YouTube's list of HTML codes that you can add to the video embed. However, they do it for you without the need to write anything inside the HTML. If you have a WordPress website, I also use a plugin that helps me with video embedding. As you can see, YouTube can add various elements from the video, and you can't completely remove everything. If you want to eliminate all the text and make it so no one recognizes the video as a YouTube video, you can use the Presto Player plugin. I left the link in the description for you to check it out. This plugin provides a ton of additional options, which are great if you want to embed a video in a landing page without visitors being directed to YouTube in any way. It creates a different player for your videos, and you can customize the colors, decide if it should autoplay, and even prevent viewers from stopping the video, among other options. If you're interested in dedicated video about this plugin, please let me know in the comments. For more information about VidIQ or TubeBuddy tools, you can watch the full playlist that you can see on the screen now. Subscribe and like the video. Thank you!